crypto lifer team? Oh, you mean one of those tight-knit communities built around crypto education and trading. They're like a mix of a club and a classroom, but online, with a Discord server as their central hive of activity. What makes these teams alluring is the promise of community learning. Crypto can seem mystifying, even for enthusiasts. They offer a guide, a way out of the chaos, and an insider's view of the market. Let's admit it, the jargon alone feels like learning a new language. But here's the catch. Communities like this thrive on FOMO. They'll say, "This opportunity might not come again," or "Join now while you still can." That emotional urgency can sometimes override your skepticism. Classic sales psychology right there. Their bread and butter? Daily updates, signals, live streams, and those sweet, sweet technical analyses that can make you feel like a Wall Street pro. You'll log in and see candlestick charts everywhere. Honestly, it's almost hypnotic. It works for some people because they crave structure. Timed sessions and guided learning create a framework. It's attractive when the alternative is Googling into the void or watching YouTube videos that either contradict each other or are outdated. But for others, it can feel suffocating. Crypto is already volatile, and now you're layering on constant notifications and endless live streams telling you what moves to make. It's like a pressure cooker. Too much noise, not enough discernment. The pitch of these groups, however, is that you'll learn to fish rather than just being handed fish. The goal is independence, eventually. But let's face it, most members stick around way longer than they planned because markets are always shifting. Also, there's this weird phenomenon. A good trade amplifies the hype around these teams, while poor market conditions get blamed on external factors. Which, to be fair, is partly true. Crypto is the Wild West, but that narrative keeps you invested. Here's my advice. Don't walk in with dollar signs in your eyes. These communities can be helpful, but they're not lottery tickets. They're tools. Just like any tool, their effectiveness depends on how you use them and your own self-control. Pro tip, don't rely solely on what's being fed to you. Use their insights as one layer in your decision-making process. Learn how they think, not just what they trade. Eventually, you'll spot trends on your own. Another thing to watch out for? Subscription bloat. These groups often upsell premium tiers or exclusive memberships. The value isn't always linear. Scrutinize what you're actually getting before upgrading. Sometimes you're fine sticking with the free or basic tier. Think of it like a gym membership. It won't guarantee you results unless you actually show up and put in the work. You still have to study, research, and make mistakes. The community just shortens the learning curve slightly. Finally, don't let yourself get too emotionally wound up. Crypto can pull on your greed and fear in unhealthy ways. A team like Crypto Lifer can help guide you, but the responsibility of managing your emotions, still on you, always.